Okay, Ryan, I'm going to give you this video right now, so show you where the leak is. The reason you cannot see the leak when you open the garage, it's because of when you open it, the leak, it's right there. You see, it's right there. Hold on. Grábame, grábame así que se vea. You see, like, no le muevas, no déjalo allí. You see, Ryan, here's the boat. Here's the damn leak. It's leaking. Ven por ahí. Look, it's all water that way. And see here, all the upholstery, is going. It's going. Come, dámelo a mí. See that one. So see how it's all of the water be leaking. See, you'll see right over inside the boat, and then run all over that way, and all wet, and now all of the floor needs to be redone. Everything up. See? See? Sheetrock, paint,